not sure if you can hear that, but it's like thunder coming down. So yeah, I'm under the little Jeep roof thingy here. Kind of shaded from the rain. Might make me a cup of coffee. It's kind of fun having coffee in the rain. It's quite nice. Take out my jet boil. Gas. My coffee press. Sugar and coffee. Ooh. Good, coffee is boiling. Oh yeah, look at that. It's ready. Just doesn't seem like it's gonna stop raining, so I'm just gonna have my coffee and a quick snack in the car, and then I'll see if it stops raining in a while, hopefully. See ya. So I've decided to quit moaning about the fact that it's raining. After all, it's just water. And just get on the trail and try to see if I can get that photo that I have in my mind, because I want to seize the opportunity. I don't want to waste it. I really do quite like how when it's raining everything looks so lush and green. Like this little detail here at the bottom. Oh, it looks nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Something crazy is happening before my eyes. Oh my god. Look at that. The sun came out. The mist is coming out too. Holy moly. I'm speechless. Oh my god, you guys. I'm just speechless to what's happening in front of my eyes. It's just crazy. The sun came out. This mist coming through the trees because the sun's striking, getting these sun streaks, and just magical. Like I'm speechless, honestly. Look at that. Look at this. I mean, look at this. Oh my god. There's just mist everywhere. I'm just speechless that I witnessed this when I was here. Oh man. Getting some nice shots here, and if you can see it, that's right there. Sure. It's a vertical orientation, but it's also good. You know what? I'm gonna walk around a bit. It's crazy, my god. Picture it's still happening, guys. Sorry. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I don't know where to take the picture. I'm gonna take one more right here. Look at this. If you can see that. Can I zoom in a bit and show you? Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, I want to get a picture of that. Just through with the telephoto lens. I'm just gonna shoot it wide. I'm gonna frame it real quick here. Camera down. Oh man, crazy. It's still happening. I'm trying to find some new compositions to take pictures of. This is so much fun. This is not what I was anticipating today. I was looking for one yellow tree or a red tree among all the greenery here. But these trees are, yellow tree is nowhere to be found. But it's alright because I found something better. So it's definitely more pictures to take here because the mist keeps coming and going depending on when the sun hits. The water starts to evaporate from all the rain and it fills the whole area with mist. Man, I've never seen conditions like this. And I don't usually photograph this kind of thing, but when it's happening in front of you, you can't help it. It's like magical, man. Just trying to find compositions can be tricky. The 2 pictures that I took, they just kind of spoke to me when I was like walking around. I just kind of saw that and took a picture, but now I'm kind of scrambling around trying to find another composition. But you know what? I'm gonna relax and enjoy this because this doesn't happen very often. Let me get set up here real quick. Try to get a shot of this with the rocks. I think it'd be really, really nice. You can see that. So all these rocks, the light's kind of projecting on the rocks. I want to get a picture of that. And I'm staying true, guys. I'm sticking to the telephoto lens, probably at 100 millimeter. It's the widest I can go, but it's actually good for woodland because it isolates the subject even more. So when you pick out details, you can easily frame a lot of compositions with the lens. So it's gone now, but maybe it's gonna come back. It's crazy. You gotta act fast. Can't waste time filming. It's crazy how much the mist adds atmosphere. Like this is without, and before you thought how it was with. I think that picture that I wanted to do initially of just the beginning of the fall colors, I think I have to wait maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks before that happens. I thought maybe it could be possible, but I couldn't find anything. But instead I found something better. So I couldn't be happier with the shots I got here and the shots from earlier. I think I'm gonna call it a day in terms of photography and just kind of enjoy the hike back down and go back to the cabin. I got a steak with my name on it. Probably that's what I'm gonna do. Something on the barbecue, simple. And call it a day. And I still have tomorrow in terms of pictures. Try to see what I can get here. I might be tempted to stay longer than 2 days, but for this trip it might be 2 days, you know. Maybe more, who knows. I do have to get back to the gallery, so it's gonna be 2 days for me. But definitely happy to be back out, taking pictures, doing what I do. And this view never gets old.